What's going on, guys? Astro with Hidden Profits Crypto, a channel focused on bringing the best low cap hidden gems and turning you into a smart risk, high reward investor. Today, we're going to be taking a look at a very simple and easy tutorial on how to get the KAS or Kaspa token off the Exbitron exchange. Now, this is the most popular exchange, so I'm assuming that there's a bunch of people that probably have some of their Kaspa sitting on the exchange and would like to get it moved into a wallet. Now, I do have a tutorial on how to set up the actual web wallet for Kaspa. So if you haven't checked that out yet, I will throw a card up top. Go ahead and check that out and get your wallet set up, and then come on back to this video and you'll be ready to go ahead and withdraw that Kaspa off of the exchange. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so here we are at the Exbitron exchange. Now, I'm not going to show you guys completely how to buy the token. I have a video on that if you guys want to figure out how to buy the Kaspa token on Exbitron. Once you do that, you're going to go to the balance tab, and then that will show you where all of your tokens are, and you can go ahead and type in KAS in the search bar here, and it will bring up the Kaspa token wallet, and you're going to just want to go ahead and click withdraw. Now, I suggest that if you guys haven't checked it out yet, check out the fees list so you can see how much it's going to cost for the withdrawal. Now, it's only 5 KAS for that, but I'm going to go ahead and get my KAS address here, and then once I have that address, I'm going to just come back in here to the wallet address, and I'm going to add the address, and I'm going to put it right in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a beneficiary name. You can just put it whatever you want. This is basically going to save this wallet as a account that you can withdraw to. So once you got that name in there, you can just go ahead and click submit for confirmation, and then once you do that, it will go ahead and make that account with that address. So now that you have that withdrawal address set up, just make sure that it is selected on the right one. That way you don't have to worry about sending to the wrong address. Go ahead and add the amount of KAS that you want to withdraw. So I'm just going to do 1,000 here for test just to show. And then you're going to want to go ahead and put your 2FA code in. Once you do that, go ahead and click withdraw, and you will see here of your confirmation and your wallet. And you go ahead and hit withdraw. Then it will say withdrawal received. Now, this is in real time. After I did that, you're going to see it goes to locked. It's gone. And again, in real time, this really shows the power of the Kaspa blockchain. I'm going to go over here to my wallet, and boom, it's already there. So, you know, that was very, very fast, pretty much like 10 seconds, and it's already in your wallet. Kaspa, very, very impressive. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this very quick and easy tutorial on how to withdraw the Kaspa or KAS token from the Exbitron exchange. Honestly, it's very, very easy, and I was very impressed. It can be kind of scary to, you know, get on an exchange you've never used and put money on there and withdraw it. So, you know, I was actually very, very impressed with how well this exchange works and how fast everything really happened. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tick the notification bell for future content similar to this. I'll be making a ton of videos on Kaspa as I'm really getting into it. So I will see you guys later. And until then, peace.